And it's a C150. They don't even label it C115 anymore, 2-stroke. So you gotta do some research. This thing's from 1993. It's an old one, but this is what the engine looks like. And we're just gonna take these off and pull it out. This is the thermostat housing. There's 2 thermostats, 1 and 2, right there. So it's gonna take a 10 millimeter, and we're just gonna cross pattern loosen it, and take them off. And I got the new OEMs. This is what a thermostat looks like, and I'm just gonna replace it. It's a part number 6512411. Genuine Yamaha. I got some gaskets. I mean, some people, there is like a gasket goop, I guess you would call it. You can use that too, a sealant, but I just went out and bought the actual gaskets. So I decided to go with this, and if this fails, we'll find out. So now we got to remove all this old gasket, get all that off there. See if this even fits. Yeah, see, that's the gasket, fits right like that. That's good. Here's the old thermostat right here. It should just pop right out. It's stuck in there. Yeah, it's corroded. It looks pretty corroded. Might even be stuck. We're just gonna go ahead and replace it. Sometimes you could save these and put them in vinegar overnight and save them, but they're only like not even 20 bucks or whatever, so I'm just gonna replace it. Yeah, I'm just gonna replace it. Just goes right back in this hole. Clean out this corrosion here. All that water is circulating through here. Just got to clean it up pretty good. Get it out of here. There we go. And this other thermostat over here, she's completely stuck. That is totally corroded. I can't even pull that one out like I popped this one out. So that tells me that this is probably my main concern, why we're overheating right here. Now that, my friends, is corroded. Wow, that is corroded. And there's like, oh dang, there was like a piece of tube stuck in it. Look at that. That's nasty. Okay, we're gonna flush this. I'm gonna put these back on. Just put it back on, run it without the thermostat in, just to flush it out, and then we're gonna take it apart and put it back in. Now I'm putting these on without the thermostats in. There's no thermostat in. There's no gasket in, not yet. So when I do this, the water may shoot out, but that's okay, it's not a big deal. We're just flushing the system. It probably hasn't been run with a good thermostat in a long time. So we're gonna tighten these down. We're not gonna kill it, we're just gonna tighten them down. You know, don't overdo it. Always do it in a cross pattern. Make sure they're evenly tight. Well, these are the old ones. They look pretty bad. Gonna let this run for about 10 minutes. So I got some boiling hot water. Pour this boiling hot water here. I'm gonna drop the thermostats right into it. See if they open up. Yeah, baby. So we dumped these old ones into boiling hot water. This thermostat opened up immediately, even though it's corroded. But this one, it took a minute. It took a minute. And this is boiling hot water. You know what I mean? It's all corroded. It took a minute for that to open up. So that's probably that was just too corroded for this to open. So that's probably why we were definitely overheating. So they may not even need to be changed. They just may need to just be cleaned and put back in. But I bought new ones. We got brand spanking new ones. Yeah, this will stop it from overheating, guys. And we're just gonna put it in, put the new gasket in. Let's go. Turn the water off. Peel the old gasket off, and then we're just gonna clean this up with this toothbrush kind of thing. It's not a wire brush. Don't use a wire brush. You don't want to score it. Yeah, I just ran it for like 10 minutes without a thermostat in it. Yeah. Just to flush it. But that's what all this is. This is all like sand. It's all salt and sand.
Do you have like a razor scraper?
It's a razor scraper. Let's get the excess salt and
old gasket material.
Yeah, old gasket goo. That is a rusty blade, boy. Oh man, I need to get a new one. Pop right in. Just gonna use some marine grease. Grease up the screws to prevent corrosion. Just gonna grease them up pretty good. Yamaha 115 two-stroke. Changing the thermostats. It's got two thermostats. We just put brand new ones in. Brand new gasket seals. Cleaned it up. And hopefully she won't sing to us when we're driving now. And singing, I mean the alarm. Hopefully the alarm won't go off because it was overheating. We're just tightening her down. And I'll give her a pressure test. I'll run some clean water through it, and then we'll put her on the water. That's right.